Welcome back again Bitcoin World Crypto. This is the second part of the video 11 minutes game. 11 minute is the gaming platform. In this session we will discuss launch app. When you click on launch app, this is the page of launch app. Daily game session, only 11 minutes required to win 3x through competition. You can buy ticket with 0.005 PNB. You can daily reset your UTC time, and this is the leaderboard page where you can check out all players list here, and this is the weekly session page. When you click on account, it is showing coming soon, reward is also coming soon, NFT viewer coming soon. And now we'll discuss its pitch desk. This is the pitch desk, consists of 17 pages. You can NFT mint and gameplay. You can read all detail about pitch desk on this file. Low initial cost, only $45 required to play this game. Project based on Polygon. Network fee is 0.01 in USD dollar. This is the detail of high return. Getting a high rank in the leaderboard will bring you a high reward, as the funding from the NFT sale will go into the prize pool. The first place of this session can win up to $80,000 as a prize. Everyone in the top 25% will always win more than they invested. And this is the detail of a new game each session. With each game session you will have to play a new game. There will never be a turning game, so it will never get boring. You will have 11 minutes for each game to learn and hit a high score. And this is a NFT staking detail. Besides getting into the top 25 of the leaderboard, you can use your NFT for the staking. You will earn 11 or own token, which will be out there this year. We will ensure that every player will earn with every NFT they hold, and always get their initial investment back and earn money on top of that. And this is all about this project. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching.